Good evening. These are your current conditions for Tuesday, June the 6th. Sunset at 8:38 p.m. Sunny skies. Temperatures 87 degrees. Feels like 88. 20% chance of a shower. The winds are out of the west at 9. UV ray is 3. Visibility up to 24 miles. Humidity is 45%. Dew point 63. Tonight, be some clouds this evening with giveaway to mainly clear skies overnight. A slight chance of a shower or a thunderstorm is possible. Around 15%. Low going to be 61. The wind's going to be out of the west, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thank y'all all for watching. This has been your Blackmon's Forecast. Have a good evening and a safe night.